Investing in apartments can be lucrative, but savvy investors know that maximizing returns requires a proactive approach. That's where value-add strategies come in. Value-add is all about making strategic improvements to your property. These upgrades increase its value and your rental income. This approach is especially powerful for small apartment investors. It allows them to compete with bigger players and attract quality tenants. Remember, today's renters are looking for more than just four walls. They want modern amenities, stylish finishes, and energy-efficient features. By understanding these desires, you can transform your property into a desirable and profitable asset. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the world of value-add strategies. I'll provide you with practical tips and real-world examples to guide you on your journey to real estate success. Before you start swinging hammers, it's crucial to assess your property's potential. Start by putting on your inspector hat. Thoroughly evaluate the condition of each unit, the common areas, and the exterior. Look for signs of wear and tear, outdated fixtures, and any structural issues. Don't just focus on what's there. Consider what's missing. Next, put on your market analyst hat. Research your local rental market. What are renters looking for in your area? What amenities command higher rents? Understanding market trends is key to identifying the right improvements for your property. Remember, the goal is to make upgrades that align with tenant demand and maximize your return on investment. Let's consider an example. Imagine an older apartment complex in a neighborhood experiencing revitalization. The building is structurally sound but has seen better days. The units have outdated kitchens and bathrooms. The common areas are drab and uninviting. The landscaping is minimal and the exterior lighting is poor. This property screams value-add opportunity. Now let's envision the transformation. We can start by giving the units a facelift. New countertops, cabinets, and energy-efficient appliances in the kitchens would make a big impact. Updating the bathrooms with modern fixtures and stylish tile would also enhance their appeal. In the common areas, we can add fresh paint, new flooring, and improved lighting to create a welcoming atmosphere. Finally, enhancing the curb appeal with landscaping, new signage, and exterior lighting will make a positive first impression. Once you've identified potential improvements, it's time to develop a plan. Start by prioritizing the upgrades that will have the biggest impact on tenant appeal and rental income. For example, kitchen and bathroom renovations typically offer a high return on investment. Next, determine a realistic budget for each project. Get quotes from multiple contractors to ensure you're getting competitive pricing. When selecting materials and finishes, aim for a balance of quality and cost-effectiveness. Choose durable, easy-to-maintain options that will appeal to a broad range of tenants. Don't forget to consider sustainable upgrades. Energy-efficient appliances, low-flow fixtures, and LED lighting can reduce operating costs and appeal to environmentally conscious renters. By carefully planning and executing your value-add strategy, you can transform your property into a desirable and profitable asset.